Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. Today in this video, we'll learn how to draw simple cartoon characters of your own. This is basically for beginners, so you can take the advantage and learn how to draw your own cartoon character. Okay? So if you are unable to visualize how to design your character, just few things you need to keep in mind. That is the head thing, the body, legs, right? And hands is also okay, fine. So this is the, I think this is not visible on the camera, so I'll do some dark lines. Okay, this is the basic thing. That means head, body and legs. Okay, so instead of this I can use some gesture as well. Like suppose I'm planning a character, I'll do something like this. See, then body, then legs, hands, like this. So here also head is there, body is there and legs are also there. Okay, so if it feels complicated for you to do this, you can always do this one. This is called gesture. Okay, and here it is construction, basic construction, you can say. In gesture you can do roughly but in light hand. You should not press the pencil and do. Okay, like here I'll do some gestures. See, okay, so this is a gesture of a small kid, you can see. Okay, so if I'll go for detail, I can do here as well, because this is a gesture in light handed, means I am not pressing my pencil and drawing. Okay, so always hold the pencil like this lightly and you can do. Don't hold the pencil from here. Okay, light hand like this and do the gesture. Okay, so likewise you need to combine both the things, gesture and construction. Okay, we'll design few characters, but before that I'll show some more gesture drawing. Okay, with action. Like suppose one guy is there, he is running. Okay, so running pose, first I'll make head part, this one, and then the body will be little tilted like this, and the hand I'll put the right hand back, the left hand front. Okay, so the legs will be opposite, then the hands like this. So this is a running pose. This is only a gesture. Don't think more about the details, because anyhow you will do the details, but first the gesture should be there. So if you are having some visualization about the pose, then you should do it in gesture first. After then you can put the construction. Like here I will do some head shape, then body shape, then legs like this. Okay, so likewise you can do any pose with the help of gesture. Okay, but you need to practice gesture very nicely. You should hold the pencil like this and make circles, ovals with light hand, touching this finger on the paper like this. Okay, so these are the things you need to practice to get an idea, and more perfectly you can do your gesture drawing. Okay, so now it's time to do some characters. So first I'll do the gesture. next I'll draw a girl. So likewise, you can also draw the gesture drawing first and then you can create your own character. And here in this case, don't go for the detailing and all. First you need to grip your hand to make your own character in gesture form. Like you can see all the characters here are not that much detailed, though I have done some few detailings over here. So now you need to concentrate on the gesture. So let's recap once again. First thing is you need to hold the pencil very lightly like this. See, I can move the pencil very easily like this, and then you should try to draw circles light-handed, okay, and then squares, rectangles like this. Like this you need to draw your character without any detailings. You can do the detailings in gesture as well, like this. See. Okay, do the practice and let me know if you want more videos on gesture. Okay, so see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.